Hey guys, let's learn how to do an amortization table here in about 2 minutes. So let's get started. Let's start here. Columns A through E, you can see I've pre-filled some information, so if you want to just pre-fill that out in your Microsoft Excel, go ahead and do that now. So start out with your interest rate. Put 4.5% in this cell. How many years? Let's do a standard 30-year mortgage. The purchase price, $250,000. Let's say you put 20,000 down. Now I have my loan principal. I have to do a formula. So to do a formula in Excel, I have to hit the equal sign. Then I can go up to the purchase price. Click on the purchase price there, and minus, and click on my down payment. That's going to be my loan principal. So while we're right here, let's just put the loan principal down in column E10, which is how I have it structured. Maybe different depending on how you set up your formula, but right after loan value I'm going to link, so I hit equal sign and then just click simply on loan principal, and now I have 230, so that's my total loan value that I need to work to zero. How many months are in a year? I'm going to put 12. This is just because I have a monthly payment. If you for some reason had a quarterly payment, you would put 4 and so forth. And then payment, I'm going to do a formula here. I'm going to say equal sign PMT, put in my rate, and I have to divide that by my number of periods, which is 12, so 4.5% divided by 12. Then I put a comma. Then I have to enter in my total number of periods, which is 30 times 12. And then I have to put a comma and negative loan principal balance. Now the negative sign seems counterintuitive. Just trust me on that one. If you go ahead and put the negative and then your loan principal, it'll spit out your monthly payment. So now we have to number the periods here. So the simple way to do that is to just type in 0, enter 1, enter 2, enter 3, enter. And what I can do is then highlight all of these together and click on the little bottom right box and drag it all the way down. So I'm doing 30 months times 12. 30 years times 12 months a year. That gets me 360. So I'm going to go down to 360. There we go. Now I want to link my payment here. So in period 0, you don't make a payment. So I hit payment equal sign. I have to freeze my payment. So I can go and click right on my payment. If I hit F4, that's a shortcut. You see dollar signs come up. That just means as you drag the formula down, it will not move. Now I have to calculate my interest payment, which is my loan value times my interest rate divided by the number of months in a year. So now it's important here that I hit the F4 and lock these as well. So I come up to my formula bar and I click by the B1, which is my interest rate, hit F4, dollar signs come up, come to B6, hit F4, dollar signs come up. If you don't understand that, there's other videos out there that you can understand what the dollar signs will do in Excel. But just trust me here on this and how this all works out. Principal is going to be my total payment minus my interest, and then my loan value is my loan value minus my principal. All of these are formulas, so they have to have an equal sign in front of them. Alright, so then what I should be good to do, this is the most fun part. There's multiple ways to do this. I'll just show you here. If you come here and click and right click and click copy, then I can take that, or I can just highlight these cells and drag down all the way to my 360, and guess what? I'm done. Just a few minutes and you now know how to calculate an amortization table. At the end of the 360 period, you should have 0. If not, you may have done something wrong. You may want to retake a look at this. But hey guys, I appreciate your time. Again, any questions, let me know. And if you want to, you can download the template on my website at the link in the details. Hey, thanks guys.